What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. Here we have a pair of women's Air Jordan 4s in a 10.5. I think that's actually a size 9 men's. Nice little box here. It's made out of the softer papery cardboard. This is the Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purple Safety Orange colorway. This is how the shoe looks. The extra laces are looking very strange in this configuration. I'm used to seeing them in a bag. Colorway is pretty nice if you ask me. If you're looking for a pair of these, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. You should be able to get a pair for like market value on StockX, which is not necessarily like a bad thing. Here we have them on foot. They look pretty fire if you ask me.